Today we're going to work on the Droid Inventor Kit. This is what it looks like when you open the box. You have this. I'm assuming this is the instructions. Got some stickers for the droid. Some other stuff. A bunch of parts. So based off of what this picture right here says, it looks like you need this piece, this battery, and this cord. So to start this off, I'm going to put the battery on the cord. And then I'm going to attach this in to there. And then attach just like that. It's magnetic. So that's the first thing that this says to do. And now we need to download the Droid Inventor Kit app. I have downloaded the app and this is what it looks like. I'm going to click on it. And this is what it does. So now it says we're inventing the next generation of droids. Join us. So I'm going to finish this up and I will see you in a bit. You've gotten this far in the inventing stages, I guess. So let's get started. So, control hub. Activate your droid's command center. So, I'm gonna need a little bit of time to figure this out, so I'll see you in a bit. So far, all I've discovered is how to turn this on, and on the app you can decide what types of sounds you want it to make. I think this is a pretty funny one. So we're gonna move on to continue building the droid. Since I last video recorded, I put these two on. We have the DC monitor and the swing. Don't really know what those are for. And on my phone, it says to grab the wheel hook and the small wheel. Don't let the picture deceive you, because this is, I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's really tiny. And then the wheel. So we're going to continue to do the rest of the droid. So the last time when I saw you, we didn't have these two on, and I just put these two on, and these pieces are the next step that I'm on. This piece was hard to find. I didn't realize it was going to be so small. According to the picture, it looks like it might be big, but it's really tiny. These are the two pieces, and I'll see you in a bit for another update. So far, I've gotten, since I last talked to you guys, was the wheel and this little piece that I thought was so small. And on here I have these controls, and when I touch the controls I can move them. So that's as far as I've gotten so far, and I'll see you when something else interesting happens. Now that we've gone through all of these pieces so far, we're now going on to the next mission, which is to do the inside of the droid. So we're gonna start doing that, and we'll see in a bit. This part right here seems like a little bit tricky, so we had to mount this together, and now we have to take the little axle turning knob thing and the stick and place that in there somehow. So I just connected the wheels on this and these parts together, and it looks like the part of the bottom of the droid. Now we have to connect the circuit to the back here. We have just now finished putting the circuits on here and attaching the battery to the back of the inside of the droid. We now have balance to the force. We put on this wheel and we attached on the bottom where there's that little knob, and that connects all the way to the circuit. That'll move these back legs. Then we put the one circuit that was connected to this that moved this over here. Now we can move on to building the rest of the droid. See you guys in a bit. Now we're starting to put the droid together. We have the bottom part of it, and now we can do the rest of it. See you guys in a bit. So the droid is finally complete. As you can see, he has a little panel here, right there. Oops. I'll fix that later. He has his head on. He has the little legs. And got to this part where I can control him. See if I can. So I can control him now, and soon I'll have him all decorated and maybe even have more parts to him. Who knows? So stay tuned if you want to see what happens to this droid. On a count of 3, this droid is going to be decorated. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, he is done. Here's the back of him, the top of him. And there's the front of him again. Look at him. He's very unique. So that's at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.